Foundation walls are subject to great stress from the surrounding soil. Sometimes that stress can cause a foundation wall to bow and crack or tip in from the top. When this happens, it needs to be stabilized permanently, or it could eventually fail. One of the best ways to stabilize a bowing block or tipping concrete foundation wall is to embed it in the surrounding stable earth using a GeoLock wall anchor system. First, soil is removed and a small hole is excavated in the soil away from your home's foundation. A steel rod is then pushed through a small hole drilled in the foundation wall and is connected to an earth anchor seated deep within the excavated hole. A low-profile wall plate placed on the interior of the basement wall is positioned over the rod and tightened against the wall. The excavated hole is backfilled and sod is replaced. Once all components of the GeoLock wall anchor system are connected and tightened, your basement wall is permanently stabilized. Over time, the wall can even be straightened in most cases. GeoLock wall anchors are a great way to permanently stabilize a bowing or tipping foundation wall. Plus, once they're installed, they can be covered or hidden behind finished basement walls to blend in with your decor. One last note, that soil that caused your wall to bow and crack, well, the same soil is putting pressure on your other foundation walls as well. If your other foundation walls haven't begun to fail yet, now's a great time to think about protecting them with wall defense brackets or straps. And that's pretty much it. It's a simple, practical, and proven solution that will permanently stabilize your foundation wall. How great is that?